welcome back. So in today's video, I am reviewing a parcel from HRH Collection. Now guys, backstory, you know, if you are my OG subscriber, how much I adore Alex from HRH Collection. She is so amazing. She is the nicest woman. We've had a few conversations on Twitter, on Instagram, and she's so sweet. You know, her and Judy, her assistant, are just not assistant. They're like she's like a friend that helps out, and you know, with the, because I don't like the word assistant. It's like two. You know, her and her the person that she works with, Judy. She's so sweet. They're both so sweet, and they have. I've been buying from them. I think it's been since 2017. I think it's been, and I've bought so many pieces from them, and you know, the quality of the pieces is something else. Sorry, I feel like the camera's just letting me go. Oh, is it too low? You look a bit low. Okay. Yeah, the quality is something, just something else, guys. So I'm going to do the unboxing. I bought a pair of earrings and a necklace, and I just know that when I buy from Alex, the stuff is quality. Does my hair look okay? I feel like it's just, I've just washed it. It looks really odd. So I'm going to get on with the unboxing. Hope you're all okay. You know, hope you're surviving this lockdown. I just don't even know what to say about it anymore. It's just so ongoing. Like in England, they have found a vaccine, but we're just very, very early stages. So, you know, I hope you're all okay and you're all coping. So, I don't want to dox myself in. I'm so excited for this, guys. You've no idea. I have bought a pair of earrings, like I said, and I have bought a necklace. So I'm just going to have a look online because I am so crap with names of things. I really wanted some kind of long earrings because, you know, all the earrings I wear, this is all Alex. Like, Alex, I just absolutely, her stuff is just so, it's affordable, but it's top quality. There's like a middle kind of niche with her, you know, where it's not too expensive, but it's not too cheap. It's just the right amount, the right kind of, the right price. So I bought the Royale chain in 14K gold filled, the short one, and I bought the bankroll chain hoops. Now, I've had a little peek because I couldn't help myself, guys. I really couldn't. I had a little peek and I literally couldn't believe how amazing the stuff was. So I'm just going to get into the video now. So here we go. So when you look inside the bag, I had to, do you know what? I couldn't not look. Sorry, this is like not an unboxing. It's like a not, you know what I mean? I had to just have a look. So this is the postcard you get. I mean, look how amazing this girl looks. She looks fucking sick. She's so beautiful, stunning, vibes completely. Thank you so much for your order, Alex. And if you know, you know, which is like her little thing, you know, when you are a fan of Alex, you just know, you know the vibe, you know the way she is. And it's funny because when I watch Alex, I can almost like know, I almost like know what she's saying before she even says it. Like, I get the way she is. It's so weird. Like, not many people do. But online as well, I have to say about the haters. I mean, I get a lot of hate. And it's awful, guys. You need to know, the haters that do this, they need to think about what they're doing to people. It's not cool. And you don't understand the effect it can have on someone. Like, the knock-on effect. It's really, really, like, it's bad, guys. It's bad. Like, I mean, I've had a lot more hate lately. I don't know why, what's going on. And it just makes you feel like it's not good. It really isn't good. And I know that people say sticks and stones may break my bones, but was it words will never hurt me or something? Words hurt probably more than violence. It really does. So please, guys, I urge you to just be kind on the internet. Like, if you don't like something, just don't, you know, just don't vocalize it so much, because you wouldn't like it if the shoe was on the other foot. And we, you know, we put ourselves on the internet for you guys, for our supporters, and it's a hard thing to do. Like, this is not a normal thing that people do. Like, and people just bash like they actually know about, like they are actually like, you know, they know what they like. If you're a YouTuber, then you have every right to bash because you know what it's like. But if you don't have a clue, you know, don't knock someone's field until you know what it's like to live a day in their life. It winds me up. Anyway, guys, I'm not even going to go there. Right, so let's get into the unboxing. So, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Unbelievable. How amazing is this? I think this is the kind of, what does she call this colour? It's like a grungy, like, not oil slick, but oh my God. This in itself is just everything. It really, really is. Amazing. So guys, I mean, the packaging just says everything, doesn't it? It speaks for itself. It says HIH on in there. She used to do the pouches, which I really enjoyed, but no longer the pouches. I mean, what can I put in here? You could put little things in here, couldn't you? Like, you could still put jewellery in there. And then it comes out with a little HRH, little emblem thing. Is this a sticker? Oh my God, it's a sticker! Oh my God, I didn't know that. Because I've seen her stick it on her phone, and that, oh my God, it's a sticker. That is fucking amazing. Wow. I'm gonna put on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yay, that's so cool. I mean, what other person would do that? That is such a cool thing to do. Sorry, this top keeps like riding. So let's get into it. You're gonna die when you see this, guys. So these, oh my God, these are the earrings. Shit, I had a peek. I've not seen them up close like this. Oh my God. Now look, guys, you're going to just not even believe this. So these are the bankroll-y earrings, and look at the detail in there. It almost looks like it's like a triangle kind of pressed together. It looks very 60s, no, very 70s kind of vibe. That is stunning. Look at the detail in that. And then these are the bankroll earrings. Now, I really wanted these because I wanted to kind of layer, because I've actually ended up getting my ears pierced. I've got my first, seconds and thirds. This is the last one that I've had done, and I'm going to keep that in for a bit, the original piercing, because I don't want to get that to get infected. But I haven't actually waited 6 months to actually put the earrings in at all. I've waited like 2 weeks. So I think it's a little bit of shit, to be honest. People say, oh, it's 6 months till you put hoops. No. So I'm going to mix and match. I'm going to try these on, actually, guys. Oh my God, I can't believe it. What I want to do, I want to take this one off. This is the 90s hoop. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. And I want to put one here. Oh my God, my nail's like... My shellac is coming off my nail. Oh, let me go get my mirror. Oh my God, and I'm just going... Oh my God, look at the earrings. They're fucking gorgeous. And I know, look, I've had those, you know, the hoops with the love hearts. I've had them in my ears for 3 years. I've just taken the love heart off it. So now it's got a ring. Amazing. Like, they just do not get damaged whatsoever. They really don't. This is 18 karat gold, guys, this is. If I'm not mistaken. Oh God, look at my lips. So look. Really bad. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this in. Which way does it go? This is quite fiddly, it looks to me. So this goes in here, and then I click. And look at that. I mean, that is stunning. I'm really patchy here. Oh my God, how hot is that? And then I want to put the next one, maybe at the back, maybe take this off. Oh my God, this is so amazing. I love these, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy to have got these. Now, I think these, how much were these? I can't even remember. I think they were like $60, which is like £50 in English pounds, which is, you know, yeah, it's a lot for jewellery, but this isn't costume jewellery. This is going to last you. And I really would rather pay a lot more for something that's going to last instead of like some costume jewellery. There we go. Has that gone in? Really didn't click, did it? It's not gone in yet. Oh God. No, these are, my ears are quite sore. There we go. Oh my God, that looks fucking sick. Look at that, guys. What do we think? Oh my God. I'm in love with that. in love. My shellac is actually ripping off my nail. Right, so then the necklace, I have, oh my God. This is the bank, no it's not, the Royale chains. Now this reminds me of, look at that, look how it gleams. And you know, one thing I like about Alex's jewellery is it's not yellow gold, it's a soft buttery gold. And that is what I love. Oh my God. This reminds me of like a Casino Royale, like kind of chain. You know, like the 60s kind of, oh my God. Right, let's put it on. Shut up, Fabio. I'm talking too much. I'm like, fucking, I'm gonna give myself a headache from talking so much. Oh my God, there we go. Oh wow. Now this is the perfect size for what I've got on right now. It layers perfectly. Can you see, guys? Whatever it's called. I can't remember what it's. Two layers. What's it called? Alex, if you're watching this, you know. I don't know. But I've had this for nearly 2 years. I mean, look at the colour. This is 14K gold and it's still kept its pristine colour. And this is beautiful. I just needed like a little soft kind of chain to just add to my HRH collection chains. And I found it. You can't really see it because, oh, let me put this down. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Can you see? Oh my God. These fucking earrings are fire. Oh my God. Right, guys. So that is the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything is so carefully kind of packed with Alex. Everything's thought out. You know, that's what I like about her. You know, is this camera like going downwards? Oh God. Everything is not just thrown together. It's thought out. And I like that. How fucking sick do these look? Guys, I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you, Alex, for, you know, I have to say about the custom as well, you know, the shipping is so fast. There's never any custom fees with Alex, like never. Like, it's amazing. And it actually got delivered through to, we have someone called Hermes over here, and it's a delivery place and a delivery company. And it just got here so incredibly fast. And I was so like pleasantly surprised because I've had stuff from abroad that were like really cheap and like I'm slapped with like a £20 like fee. So guys, I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out www.shophrh.co. Her stuff is blinding. You will not be disappointed, guys. I swear to you. Love you, Alex. You're amazing. And, you know, props to you for doing what you do and having your amazing business all from nothing. Like, that takes some real recognition. So yeah, guys, I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.